Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour. In this video, I'm going to decorate my aunt's place, her outdoor patio for summer. Thanks to Homary for sponsoring today's video. Homary is an online retailer store that specializes in different kinds of furnitures, starts from sofas and sectionals, dining tables, dining chair, TV stands, coffee tables, even an office desk, and also an outdoor furnitures that you can choose. Their outdoor furnitures varies in different sizes and styles, and they're running Memorial Day sales. Top of that, they also have lighting fixture starts from table lamp, chandelier, wall lights, and outdoor lighting. I will leave the link of Homary in my description box along with my discount code, and hopefully you find something you like. Alright guys, so this is the one that I picked right here. So it is the outdoor PE rattan recliner chair with ottoman. Actually, I was a little bit misleading when I picked this one because I really thought it came with two different chairs. As you can see those picture over there. So when it came and we opened it, it only came with this one chair and the ottoman. Actually, it was my fault that I did not read carefully about the description of this chair. But aside from that, the chair is very comfortable and it is multi-purpose. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to style this in the video. And also, I am using the item that my aunt already have. And the only thing that I'm going to add is a little bit of accessories that I bring here in her place. Alright guys, so this recliner chair has a dual purpose. You can tuck in the ottoman under the chair, and also it serves as a footstool. Not only that, you can use this as a coffee table as well. You can put your drinks there or even magazine. And under that, it has a storage that you can put your magazine. Alright guys, so here I'm putting this lemon tree. I have this for a year now. And this one came from Kohl's, and I believe we still have this at the store or maybe online. And I also have this outdoor pillow right here. I actually used that one on my bedroom last year when I styled for summer. And she has this chinoiserie accent table right here that I believe this is also thrifted. So I'm going to use her old patio furniture. I know it's not that great, but we will make this work. The style that I'm going for this outdoor or patio deck, it will be an eclectic. Steve gifted this to her during the Mother's Day, this calla lily flower right here, and it was perfect on that accent table. This picnic basket right here, I thrifted from Goodwill. I believe this is only like $6.79, and it came with plates, glassware, and also silverware. So during summer, Steve and I love to do a picnic in the park, so that is the perfect to bring. The Studio Magi basket as well is thrifted. I also picked this Scandinavian rattan long reclining chase patio. You can use this one beside your pool or also in the beach, and it can be folded. I love the design on it and the natural color of the wood. The link of the chair will be in the description box. And thank you Homary for sponsoring today's video. Welcome to my 2024 outdoor summer decorating, and I hope guys you enjoy. you like this lemon tree right here, the link will be in the description box. This lemon tree is looking realistic. This area over here is the swimming pool, but when I filmed this video, it's not ready yet because it is still cold. So that one will be in another video. But I'm going to include a snapshot of the pool at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, be safe.